Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the VM ID and which node holds its disks and backups, because deleting requires certainty. Stop the VM next. Use QM stop vmid or the GUI stop control. This prevents live disk changes. Once stopped, make sure you have a validated backup or snapshot, or consciously accept data loss. You do this now to avoid accidental removal of critical files and to ensure storage references are safe before proceeding to resource cleanup. Once done stopping and verifying backups, remove attached disks and devices. Use QM disk RM vmid disk or the storage view in the GUI to delete images. This frees space. Then run QM destroy vmid to remove the VM configuration and any associated locks. This is the command that purges the record. After that, inspect LVM, ZFS, or directory storage for orphan volumes and manually delete lingering files, so you don't leave wasted storage. You finish by confirming the VM ID no longer appears in QM list and that storage browsers show no related disks or ISOs. If you used Cloud Init or attached ISO images, remove those references to avoid confusion. Make a final pass through backup jobs and remove any scheduled tasks for that ID. If something fails, check /var/log/pve/tasks or system logs for lock or I/O errors. Clear file locks and rerun the destroy commands, because most failures are stuck locks or leftover volumes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.